Question?
What sound effect can you make really well? And I want to hear it, Davey.
That's a bad question to ask, matey. Maybe the hand under the armpit or
Wow.
knuckle cracking.
Ooh.
Wow.
Oh.
Okay.
Dolphin.
Nailed it! Nailed it, Flipper.
What sound
Marianne?
effect? I don't know. I can't think of anything.
You just did a WB character.
WB character.
I.
Maybe that one.
Ah, there you go.
Yeah, Charlie Brown's teacher. Wah, 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 wah.
There you go. Nailed it. Nailed it.
I'm not sure. Do you guys, do I make any sounds?
No, not really.
I'm mostly faces. Yes. Yes. I will agree with that. So funny.
Whether I know it or not, sometimes.
Exactly.
Boo, fix your face. Fix your... Let's check in with the boys in the booth. Andres y Samuel.
Sammy, after you, my friend.
Oh gosh.
Okay, what do you think? I'm a sound
Oh
machine.
no, actually, I can make a slapping noise.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, but you have to pretend, right? Ready?
Okay.
Oh. Okay, got it.
Right?
It wasn't too bad.
Not bad.
A little
not bad.
delayed.
Wow,
All
it
right.
sounds so realistic.
Let's see. I'm really a sound machine.
Oh.
I can
Oh,
do.
he is,
I can
believe
do
me,
a
yeah.
klaxon. Auga.
Oh.
I can do a pterodactyl.
Oh.
Wow, that's pretty good.
Yes,
good.
Not bad.
yeah. I can do a horse. I can do Goofy. Maximilian.
Wow.
And so on and so forth. Ad
Wow.
nauseam, ad infinitum, per secula seculorum.
I think you win.
He's bilingual with it.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
That is great.
He does. I don't even want to go. You know what happens if I were to go after him? Because this is the one I like to do all the time. Crickets. Yeah. When they rub their legs together.
Yeah. I can do that one, man.
I don't know why. You gotta roll the tongue and go at the same time. Oh, you know what I also? I can do the hydraulics, you know, in a car.
Oh my gosh, let's see.
Hit the switches. So dumb. So dumb.
That's right. I had no idea we were all so talented.
I had
really did
no
not
idea.
know. I did not know.
Right.
Wow,
Oh my gosh.
outstanding. All right, thanks.